Hello my lovelies, today I am talking about my 5 top hairstyling tools for fine hair, ones that give you oomph and volume. But it's not just about volume, it's about control, shape and something that is not going to fry your hair. All hair tools are bad for you, really. Any heat that you're using on your hair is bad for you, but what can you do? And by the way, if you want to know my 5 top styling products for fine hair, I will leave it here. I will leave it in the description box. I have playlists all over the place. So just look in the description box, or at the end of this video, I will leave relevant videos for you there. So, hairdryer. You might think hairdryer is a hairdryer, but I am quite particular about my hairdryers. I love my Dyson and I've had it for years when they, I think, first came out. But not long ago, I reviewed this hairdryer, which was sent to me. This is not sponsored video, but since I've got this hairdryer, I've been using this instead of my Dyson. There is few reasons why I like it. It's as powerful, the same weight really, small, very comfortable to hold. This one is called Lifen Swift SE. It comes also with a diffuser and a nozzle. I never really use them because I just use my hairdryer to just dry my hair. I don't really style my hair with hairdryer, if you know what I mean. This one comes with multiple heat settings. It has 2 speed settings and this button just does the heat setting. So you get hot, you will see red ring around it. Then you have medium heat, which will be like an orange yellow ring, or cool shot, which will be blue. But it also has another setting. You hold and press and then the hairdryer oscillates between the hot, medium heat and cool. And I love that to finish off my blow drying. So I start on the hot when I'm trying to get the volume in my roots. Then when my hair is halfway dry, I switch to the medium heat. And then at the end, I do the oscillation. So I hope you saw the colors. It's hard to see on a camera. So I've been using this hairdryer since I got it. But obviously Dyson is wonderful, but this price of this one won't make you cry. I think it's around £100. I probably don't have any more the discount code because I've worked with them ages ago, but I will find where you can buy them in Europe and in the US. For Europe, you get European plugs, so you need to get yourself the adapter for UK plugs. The next tool is everything. And if you've been with me for a while, you know how much I love it. This is the Voloom Hair Volumizing Iron. It's like a hybrid of crimper and waffle maker. I think mine is the 1 inch because they come in 2 sizes. Mine is the a bit bigger one. There is a smaller one. So can you see? It looks like a waffle maker. This is a lifesaver if you've got flat hair that won't hold volume at the top of your hair. So what I do with this, it also the temperature, you can control the temperature. I think the top temperature is 200. So I section my hair. I spray it lightly with the Aveda air control, wait for it to completely dry, and then I just clamp my hair at the root with this. This gives you, I call it scaffolding. I have it in here. Can you see? It gives you that sort of crimpy look to your hair. And obviously don't do the very top because you don't want to see the crimping. Just section the very top, and I do it to about here, just at the crown of my head. This lasts for days, and if you just go like this, the next day, it will be still there. It gives you nice big hair. You know me and big hair, I love it. So I couldn't be without this tool. I should probably trademark the scaffolding for your hair because that's how I see it. It also gives you this scaffolding where the hair on top lies over and you keep that volume in your hair. The third one is the Babyliss Big Hair Rotating Brush. Oldie but goodie. In fact, this one I think is giving up a ghost, and I will have to buy another one. I've used it for so many years. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it, but the brush is spinning very slowly. I don't know if the motor is dying, but this tool lasts for a long time. So this is your tool for this salon blow dry without needing 3 hands. So you know when you style your hair with round brush and a hairdryer and you have to be a contortionist to do it. I can do it, but this is so much easier. I know you can get now a lot of those hairdryers brush combos, and I've reviewed some and they are very, very good. They work well, but you still have to use 2 hands to turn it, whereas this I just need a 1 hand. I take a section, put that brush on, and I've got a button that spins one way or the other depending where and how you hold the brush. This gives you lovely smooth blow dry, gives you volume and bounce, and it looks like you've just come out of the hairdresser salon. So if you struggle with a brush and a hairdryer, or even those hairdryer brushes where you still have to do the rotation yourself, this is amazing. Your arm won't ache so much, and it's just a lazy way of doing beautiful, smooth, bouncy blow dry. I think they still sell them. I might have to buy another one. I don't use it as much these days. But now and again, when I want that lovely bouncy look, I will use this brush. Another thing to remember is take small sections, not like really thick section. And also don't make the section wider than the brush, because then where it spins, you can catch your hair. But this one is really good at not catching your hair. Unless you've got very, very long hair. I would say this might not be as good for very long hair, but I don't think any of these hairdryer brushes are good for very long hair. Now, this is my newest tool. I've had it for a while, but that's the last tool I've bought. It's the Marmade hair waver. I am in love. If you watch me all the time, you see my hair waved with it all the time. I don't have footage here, but I will insert one of the photos of my hair being done with this tool. And it has, can you see these 2 rows in there? So it's a double waver. It's got temperature gauge as well. So the thinner, finer your hair, the lower the temperature. Very, very easy to use. You basically take a section your hair. Each section, the more of those waves you want, the smaller the sections you should take. If you just want very, very slight wave, then you can take thicker sections. But I do it in smaller sections, so I look like I've got more hair and more curls and more volume. Easy as anything. And when I wave my hair with it, providing that the weather is not wet, it's not raining, I can have this curly style for at least 3 days. I can do 5. For the last 2, I just put my hair up and it just looks all a bit like I've been dragged through hedges backwards, but it's quite cute. So that's why I love it, that the waves stay for such a long time. Yes, on each day they will be less wavy, but with this, for 2-3 days, I can still wear my hair down and it still looks cute. Love this to death. Number 4 is T3 Curling Wand. I don't know if they still sell this particular model. I've had it for quite a few years. This is the interchangeable one, so you can buy different thickness barrels. You just turn this thing to open and you take the barrel out. Can you see? And then just lock it. I have a couple of barrels. I think it came with 2 barrels. I like it that this one has a clamp and the clamp goes all the way on that barrel. Sometimes you get like shorter clamps. Really lovely to do beachy waves. And I use that very often as well, but I must admit that since I've bought the waver, I probably use the waver more. The waver keeps my hair wavy for longer than this keeps my hair curly. But I often mix the two, so I will do a bit of waving, especially underneath, and then on the top I can do the curls. So I sometimes mix and match, depends what I fancy, and I think I might have a video where I've used them both together. And then I have a little bonus, which is not a tool, it's not a styling product, but it makes such a big difference. So you know, I have quite fine hair at the front, thin, not just fine. That's why it's so short, because these bits always get very damaged because of the heat tools. So what I do to add length and a bit more volume here, I use like 2 clip extensions. These are from Beauty Works. I absolutely love them. I bought so many extensions from them. And what I used to do is buy the whole set and then just cut them into 2 clips, because I don't want full head of extensions. I just want them at the front. But now, thank goodness, they've came out with the barely the mix and match minis. So these ones you just saw, I've already curled. They come in 18 and 20 inches, so you have to buy them and cut them. So they just come like this. You get 2 in a box. I clip them in. They will come a bit like this, so I'll straighten them and I cut them to the length of my hair. For when I curl my hair, I cut them a bit longer, because when you curl your hair, it's gonna spring up. And well, I don't have a straight one here, that is my, but I use these, so I've waved these ones, I've cut them, and I use them when my hair is wavy. I just clip it under, and you see it gives me length and more volume to my fine sides. I just think it's a genius idea. These are real hair extensions, and I am so glad that they do these minis, because I've spent so much money on a whole set when all I needed was this. And they do them in so many colors. You can also buy little samples, so like a 1 clip thin ones. They are not very expensive, maybe £3. That's what I did before I started buying these. I've ordered a few blonde samples, and then I chose which one I like. I use the Scandinavian blonde most of the time. And they come in this cute box, so I thought it was worth telling you about, because when you have fine hair, most of us, the finest hair is at the front, and this is one way you can make it look a bit thicker. So these were my 5 top styling tools for volume, for fine hair. If you want to see them in action, please check out my hair playlist. I've done lots of videos on straightening, curling my hair different ways. I will leave it on a screen and also in the description box. But that's all from me for now. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.